I'm sure that you've seen the new iOS Liquid Glass by now. And guess what? You can have this gorgeous liquid glass bottom tab in your Expo app in 60 seconds. First, we import from Expo router/unstable native apps. It's marked unstable now because it can change in the future, but doesn't prevent me from using it in prod. If you install Star now, you'll see it in action. Open your layout file, and instead of using the regular tabs, we'll use NativeTabs to wrap your bottom navigation. Then, replace each tab screen with NativeTabs.Trigger. Keep the same name prop you used before. Here's what makes this better. Instead of putting all your settings in one big options object, you use simple building blocks. We use the label component instead of options.title, and instead of options.top-icon, we use icons component, which contains the SF prop where you can select the San Francisco icon. You can even use Expo's vector icons with the vector icon component. And there's even a badge component. I love this implementation so much more than any others because of how easy the API is to use. There's also a specific search tab, which is integrated pretty well, but we'll cover that in another video. As a bonus, you get the Android's native bottom tab too. The limitation for Android is that it only takes 5 tabs. If you're someone who needs more than 5 tabs or an ex-engineer, let me know in the comments. And if you're still here, you have to like and subscribe. That's the rule. See you in the next video.